Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage coming to you live from the 2001 Honda Accord EX V6. Getting on the interstate. I'm taking this baby home. Heck yeah, man. The Impala, of course, all of you know, has crashed on me or died. And I decided, hey, there's a decent, perfectly good Honda Accord sitting there waiting for me at the corporate offices in Chattanooga. So I came up and picked her up. She's a clean little doll. Check out them seats, man. To be 20 years old. And look at this. 279,000 miles. Now, she's not perfect. She's got a check engine light. She's got a TPMS. No, I'm sorry, not a TPMS. A traction control light that comes on. We have a side airbag light that will come on, and we have an SRS light that will come on. So she's got a few, a little Christmas tree thing going on. But one owner, no accidents, good Carfax. Rebuilt transmission at, I think, 217. Shifts perfect. Seems to be doing well. But this is my first little road trip. So we're going to see how she does. So far, so good. She cruises very smooth. I do have something rattling in the back. But I have the rear seats folded down. And I have a push mower. And some things that I had to pick up from my wife's house that I'm taking down to my house. So I've got a bucket of stuff back there that has some oil and antifreeze and stuff in it. That's probably what I hear rattling. Oh yeah, here we are, TCS. Comes and goes, and there's a TCS button right there. So I guess that's traction control. But hey guys, she's a sweetheart. She's a real sweetheart. I mean, I'm not even trying. Just barely touching the gas. This has got the 3-liter V6 of the time. I think that was good for about 200 horse. Let me know in the comments. I'm not 100% sure. She's got ice cold AC, good heat, good sounding stereo. But the leather seats and stuff in this car is what's amazing. They're not trashed. They're not ripped. I mean, leather seats in one with this many miles would just be ripped to shreds. And this one is not. Let's set the cruise. We'll set it on about 85. And we're just going to cruise down the interstate. Let's back that off a little bit. That's a little fast. Let's set it on about 82. Hope everybody's doing well. If you didn't see my VW tan, it is an extremely exciting video. Minivan videos are always so exciting. No, that is a great van though. And this is a great car for $1,600 freaking dollars. At least I think it is. God, I hope it is. Because if it blows up or breaks down on me, I've got the Volvo, the Impala, and this car. Jeez. Today is Halloween 2021. My birthday is Tuesday, November 2nd. And this is... this is, I guess, my birthday present to me. Woohoo! Oh, Lord. Hey, this is the kind of stuff you drive when you got a kid in college. And you got a soon-to-be ex-wife. This is a broke beater car. You see my videos of the beater Lexus. This is the true identity of a beater car right here. The front bumper is screwed on. Because it got mangled somehow. We're not real sure yet how. It wasn't in an accident. I think it must have been tussle with a curb or maybe a parked car, who knows. But anyway, we're going to cruise along here for a little bit. I'll get back with y'all as we get a little closer to home. Well, she's quite the little cruiser. Quite the little cruiser. So far, so good. Very impressed. Very smooth. I've got the phone resting on the steering wheel, so there's absolutely no vibration. It's got a fairly new set of Cooper radials on it, so decent, decent tire. It's no Michelin, but Cooper's a good quality tire, and seems to suit this car pretty well. Got tons of tread on them, and they are very round, and very smooth. So, anywho's, she's been a delight to drive. I've just stayed right here in the fast lane and just been buzzing right along. I'll do some more update videos on this thing. It's got, the roof has cooked paint on it. Clear coat's gone, it's turning white. I've already ordered some paint matching from paintscratch.com. Matching paint to spray on there. I've used their products before, and man, they do it dead on. So we'll touch that up, get it looking better. I'm trying to locate a front bumper. I think I found one in Chattanooga. That's perfect since I'm driving away from Chattanooga, but maybe it'll be there next weekend. Who knows? We'll see. And it's already the same color of red. So I think they called this color fire pepper red. Don't hold me to that, but I think that's what the color code name for it was. So fire pepper red. It's a pretty color. And just what a neat car. So yes, there's still some decent transportation out there for under $2,000, folks. You just got to look for it. A little hard to find, but maybe you can find something on Facebook Marketplace. Key is one owner with good service. That's always a big key in this whole thing. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, throw me your comments, let me know what you think about the 01 Accord, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.